Now it's time to carry out the Ho'oponopono process. If you're not able to complete all 12 steps in one session, it's best to choose another time when you can be more present. Morna Simeona recommended completing a minimum of 4 full rounds, each covering all 12 steps. Some individuals may need more to effectively reprogram the subconscious. If all 4 rounds can't be completed in a single session, you may split them across multiple sittings. Trust your inner guidance. Additional rounds may be necessary based on your unique life experiences. Remember, your inner computer is receiving new programming to restore harmony. To support this recalibration, eliminate distractions and refrain from alcohol, hallucinogens, or overstimulation from social media and television. Fear and emotional unrest can hinder the creation of new internal patterns. Ho'oponopono is not just a word, it's a sacred signal to the divine. For any authentic Ho'oponopono, even a brief or quickie cleaning, this invocation should be included and initially spoken aloud. Divine Creator, Father, Mother, Son, as one, I wish to do a Ho'oponopono. This phrase was part of the original transmission of Morna's and the ancestors. After her crossing over, it was omitted from printed materials. Saying it aloud centers your intent and opens a sacred channel. Refer to the second layer of instructions in your course materials for support when reciting Step 6. Additional sample phrases are included below for you to personalize your own expressions. When you keep the 4 essential components intact, prayer, repentance, forgiveness, and transmutation, your practice will naturally become more fluid and inspired. Release the need to control outcomes. Ho'oponopono is about invoking harmony and freedom, not micromanaging the process. Trust the divine. It is a choice to write down problems before carrying out the process. It was recommended to locate the root of the issue. Some know the problem and are aware of what they are cleaning for. This is the beauty of Ho'oponopono. It is a practice of freedom. Therefore, you are free to begin with or without writing. If you choose option 1, free flow clearing. Begin the process by sitting quietly for a brief moment. Clear your mind. Practice Ho'omalu, a sacred pause. Breathe deeply and release mental noise. Then begin reciting each of the 12 steps, integrating the Ha breathing. Intentional breathwork at steps 3 and 11 keeps the vine of spirit flowing to and from us in a perfect frequency. This process can help activate more right brain, unifying both hemispheres, the trinity within. The pineal gland, your spiritual antenna, is awakened through this interplay of divine breath given and received in spirit and physicality. The breath of life. If you choose option 2, please grab your mind map, as you will be including phrases like, please include all data known or unknown according to the root causes of my problems or feelings mentioned on the sheet of paper. This is one of many phrases that can be added to refer to and link your paper in your own petition. Utilizing the mind maps and other writing exercises found in your course handout will help you explore karmic threads and hidden data. Every Ho'oponopono session can begin by identifying a root cause, whether in thought or on paper. This is the nucleus of the energy you're cleaning. Introspection can be very beneficial through simple self-queries. Where or what is the link connected to this problem? A physical symptom, for example, serves as a link to a much deeper, hidden root energy. Keep in mind you don't need to solve the totality of the problem right now, nor need to have the answer. This is a suggested way to warm up, or sift the energies before Ho'oponopono is commenced. Complete the map after reflecting on what needs clearing. Include relevant details such as home or ancestral addresses, past and present environments, workplaces, specific emotional triggers or physical symptoms, desires or unresolved spiritual questions. Example: if you're working on a complex family relationship, write down all known elements and associations. When problem solving on paper, whether in a journal or the karmic cleaning form, the mind map will be the cleaned up version of all your problem solving efforts. You can refer to this sheet when cleaning with any of the forms 6AD,